Madison's hitting. They're getting nitty gritty. Yeah, it's Tia's birthday, so I'm gonna deliver this same lyrics. Gonna spit it. We opened our studio yesterday. Got your Nets and your Suns tonight. Yeah, you'll probably see a fight. Where's your boy Brook Lopez? Or is it Robin? I don't even know. But they picked up that 10th win. Yeah, they did. They're playing like a playoff team. They're liable to be the next big thing. We'll keep it going. Yeah, they'll be going to ESPN Zone. They go to fucking Madison Square, yeah, goddamn. They're taking some taxis to the Jersey Turnpike. That's all you get.